Welcome back. Today you're going to practice how to ask for a favor naturally in English. A lot of learners sound too direct or too formal. Listen carefully, and then shadow the responses. Let's begin. Scene 1. Asking a friend for a small favor. Listen.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Repeat. Sure. What is it? Listen.
I feel a bit bad asking.
Repeat. Don't worry. Just ask. Listen.
Would you mind giving me a lift home today?
Repeat. Yeah, that's fine. I'm heading that way anyway. Listen.
Really? That would help a lot.
Repeat. No problem at all. Listen.
My car's at the mechanic, so I'm a bit stuck.
Repeat. Got it. That makes sense. Listen.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
Repeat. Anytime. Scene 2. Asking a colleague for help. Listen.
Hey, do you have a minute?
Repeat. Yeah, what do you need? Listen.
Could you do me a favor?
Repeat. Possibly. What's up? Listen.
I'm running behind on this report.
Repeat. Okay. Listen.
Would you be able to look over the final page for me?
Repeat. Sure. I can have a quick look. Listen.
Only if you're not too busy.
Repeat. It's fine. Send it over. Listen.
Thanks. I just want to make sure it reads well.
Repeat. No worries. I'll check it now. Scene 3. Asking a neighbor. Listen.
Hi. Sorry to bother you.
Repeat. That's all right. What's going on? Listen.
I wanted to ask a small favor.
Repeat. Sure. Listen.
Would you mind keeping an eye on my parcel tomorrow?
Repeat. Yeah, of course. Listen.
I might not be home when it arrives.
Repeat. No problem. I'll watch out for it. Listen.
Thanks a lot. I didn't know who else to ask.
Repeat. That's totally fine. Listen.
I really owe you one.
Repeat. Don't worry about it. Scene 4. Asking for help in a very natural way. Listen.
Can you do me a huge favor?
Repeat. Maybe. That depends. Listen.
Could you pick up some milk on your way over?
Repeat. Yeah, it's easy. Listen.
I completely forgot, and I've already started cooking.
Repeat. All right, I'll grab it. Listen.
You're a lifesaver.
Repeat. I know. Listen.
I'll pay you back when you get here.
Repeat. Don't worry, it's just milk. Quick review phrases.
Could you do me a favor? Would you mind helping me with something? Only if it's not too much trouble. I really appreciate it. I owe you one.
Nice work. That's how native speakers often ask for a favor in a polite, natural way without sounding awkward or too formal. Keep practicing these lines until they feel easy and automatic. And I'll see you in the next lesson.